Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the updated fees of IELTS along with some of the ways to avail discounts and cashbacks. A lot of my students are still not aware of the updated fees and they were requesting a lot of questions were there regarding the same. So let's discuss it. Fees for IELTS UK VI is 15,100 INR. The fees for life skills it is 13,940. The fees for computer delivered IELTS it is 14,700 INR, and for the paper based IELTS it is 14,700 INR same. Welcome back to our channel Kangoo Kiwi IELTS and PTE. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Ritesh Tomar and in this video we will be discussing the advantages of booking the IELTS test through Kangoo Kiwi Education Services Private Limited. First, no funds are needed to be transferred for booking the test, so it is 100% secure. Second, the test will be booked by the well-experienced professional of Kangoo Kiwi. Therefore, no possibility of any mistake or error. Third, being a test registration partner, we have more availability of the dates. Fourth, you will get 30 hours of free online preparation course. Fifth, you will be getting up to 25 hours of online study and practice material. Sixth, test tips from experts and study strategies. 7. You will also get an online practice test with a timer. And finally, something really exciting is the reward for all the candidates who are registering for IELTS through us. Now let us discuss everything in detail. No funds needed to be transferred, so 100% secure. Our team of professionals will book the test for you without any charges. Moreover, if any person or individual asks you for even a small amount, then please don't go for it. Once the test is booked, the student can always make the payment by logging in on the British Council or IDP website through their candidate login details. You just need to provide a few details that are needed for booking the test, either through IDP or British Council, that is first and the last name, date of birth, and few more details. The test is booked by the professionals. Booking test slots for IELTS can be time consuming. Using our alliance, we will assist you with the tedious activity and book your test slot for free of charge. Our team will also provide support in case you face any difficulty during this process. If there are any errors in the book test, then you can face difficulty in future on the main test date. So to overcome such kind of situation, we are there for you. More availability of dates. Being a partner with test-taking bodies, we are having some advantages. One of them is more availability of the test dates and priority about others. Our team are aware of all test center locations and available test dates and can help you book your slot at a time and place of your convenience. 30 days free online preparation course. Register for IELTS through us and get unrestricted access to 30 days online IELTS preparation course in all 4 skills. That is reading, writing, listening and speaking. You can focus completely on your weakest IELTS skill or prepare for the entire IELTS test as per your requirement and convenience. After getting registered for IELTS, you will receive an activation key along with a link to the preparation course. Up to 25 hours of online study time. Free practice test of all 4 modules. You can practice all of them or focus only on one of your preferred module. Moreover, what you will get, model answers and feedback along with a complete explanation, test tips from experts and study strategies for complete guidance. You can also purchase additional preparation content tips, strategies and practice tests for up to 50% discount. Test tips and strategies. In addition to all above mentioned things, you will also get IELTS online preparation material and support tools. That is tips for writing, tips for reading, tips for listening, and tips for speaking covering academic writing test and journal writing test with the timer on the system. Some of the questions that would be also covered would be like multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram, labeling, note completion, short answer questions, listening test answer key. Some of the add-on tasks are multiple choice, identifying information, note completion, matching headings, matching sentence endings, summary completion, sentence completion, flowchart completion. The IELTS familiarization tests are limited and are very close representation of the actual computer delivered IELTS test. The familiarization IELTS test has useful tools such as countdown timer, highlight text, make notes, and check the word counts of your writing test. Guaranteed rewards for candidates every month. The common type of monetary bonuses typically ranges between 25 to 250 INR for all candidates. For every second test booking or referral, it is between 50 to 500 INR for all candidates. For every third and above test booking, it is between 100 to 1000 rupees for all candidates. The monthly reward for 3 lucky winners between 500 to 5000 and the quarterly reward for 3 lucky winners between 1000 to 10,000. Now the final part of the video. You all must be wondering that how you can book the test through us. So let me help you. You can mail us at ielts.delhi.india@gmail.com. That is ielts.delhi.india@gmail.com. Or you can WhatsApp us at 9953747909. You just need to write your full name, contact number, preferred test date and location along with the convenient time to get connected. Our representative will revert you to the earliest possible for the confirmation of the appointment. Once the appointment is confirmed, keep your passport handy. Hopefully you liked our video. Please like and subscribe and feel free to comment if you have any query.